Alright guys, how's it going? This is Jordan from RC Nurse. So today, just a fun flight. I got my F16 right here. This is the Freewing 90mm 8S version. And of course, gonna start out with my Aero Scout, get some laps in right here. It is windy, unfortunately, like always, but just gotta deal with it and fly. So anyways guys, enjoy the video. Let's just get some laps in here while it's windy, get some practice, and go from here. Control check. Ailerons left, ailerons right, up, down, right or left, right or right. All right. Aero Scout don't care. Let's try touch and go. All right, let's try a little touch and go. I can get it over here. All right, let's bring it back around. Try that again. Come on. I want to bring it towards me. Aero Scout don't care. The only thing that really sucks about the wind is my eyes. Even with sunglasses on, my eyes will get watery. So I got this set on a 3-minute timer. Control check, ailerons left, ailerons right, elevator up, elevator down, air brakes, right or left, right or right, safe. AS3X. All right. Retract up. It's cool, you can feel the force from the EDF. Turn down my rates, my gyro rates a little bit. Full speed. Sounds so good. Retract down. All right, let's practice a touch and go. Okay, come here, buddy. Whoops. The wind got a hold of that one at the last second. That's all right. Okay. There we go. All right, got a minute left. I'm gonna try to bring this in again for another landing, practice landing. All right. Engine armed. going with the wind. You can see the wind is actually pushing it. Got that reverse thrust. All right, that was cool. Let's throw another pack and send her up. Hey, no, baby. 3.8 average, so storage voltage on these packs. So yeah, that's 3 minutes of flying right there. I believe I have low voltage cutoff disabled as well.
Wrist up.
Wow. Sure is fun. Full speed. Nice.
With time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay, let's land it. This time I'm using my speed brakes to see how those work. Whoa, jeez.
Throttle cut.
All right. That was a lot of full throttle down at storage voltage. Yeah, these Admiral packs, they're not the Admiral Pros like the orange ones are, so they don't last as long. What do you think, buddy? That's pretty good, huh? All right, guys, that was a blast as always and good practice. Now I got Emiliano out here with me, so he'll be training up as well, just like Tommy. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was a lot of fun. Get out there, practice, have fun. You guys have a good day. Bye.